In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Roaman's credit card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to log into Roaman's credit card, what you have to do is log into your Roaman's account. Once you're logged into the Roaman's account, you'll be able to access and manage the Roaman's credit cards. For that, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar. Type in romans.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Romans. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option, sign in. If you haven't applied for the card yet, you can also apply for the card by clicking on this option, card. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for apply now. Simply click on it and you'll be able to apply for the credit card. If you have already applied and if you want to log into your account, you'll have to log into the Roman's account. For that, in the sign in option, what you have to do is enter the email and password. Click on the field of email and provide the email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to access and manage the Roman's credit cards. So that is how you log in Roman's credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.